Hey besties, I would quickly be unboxing some of my gifts. I said some because there are some gifts that are still not here, so I may not be able to include them in this video, but if I'm able to, then I'm going to include it. I just want to unbox some of my gifts right now. By the way, I have not unboxed any of these gifts except for this one because I had a peep through it, so I'm going to show you all of them. So this one is from a very sweet flatmate and as I just saw it, I was craving, and that's because if you know me, you would know that I love to smell very nice. And if you're ever confused about what to get me, just get me a perfume. I most likely would love it. So this is Revlon. Yes. Begin. You know all this perfume that has presence? This one sure does. Like my perfume collection is just increasing. And to me, one of the best, in fact, the best compliment you can give is you smell good. And I get that compliment a lot. So this one is from, how am I even telling you who it's from? Because you don't know them. Anyway. Oh my god. You know why I'm laughing? Two reasons. First reason is, when it comes to, as I said, perfumes, I don't joke. But secondly, do you know that this is actually in my collection? Like, how did she know that I love? Let me show you. See, Dark Aura. This is one of mine, and this is exactly what's in the middle. And now I'm wondering how she knows that I use this. I'm very sure we've never had any conversation about perfumes unless she's visited me and seen it. So I would actually ask her if it's that she just went to the perfume shop and did guesswork, or if she knew, because this is so, oh my god. So I didn't even know that they had body mist alongside hand and body lotion. I did not know, because I always buy it like single like this. Oh, exactly what I use. I'm really grateful. And this one is a very special gift. I know it will be special because it's from my friend Nanda, and she knows I love gifts. So from Nanda to Ada on your special day. I love the package. Hey. Ada, behave. Behave. But like, see, I love it when people get me gifts that are things I genuinely like. I love structured bags. Like, I love structured bags. I love structured, like, see, I don't know how to explain it. I love the texture. Oh, this is very beautiful. This is very beautiful. I'm already imagining, yes, I'm looking at one of my shoes that goes with it. And I love the fact that the color is just like something I really like. Thank you so much. My friends want to spoil me with scents because they know me. Another one. Hey. I love perfume. Perfume brands, please sponsor me. Should I scatter it? Oh, what if I scatter it and now scatter it. Ouch. Whew. I almost injured myself. Oh, this is so nice. Hey, seriously, I feel like after this birthday I'll be smelling like a bag of manna. Another one. Another one. Where did she get all these things from? That's not all, though. They are still wait to Hey, this is from the same person. I'm going to be smelling like bag of money. Bag of what? Bag of money. I think I prefer, yes, I prefer this lilac. Yeah. They're both nice, but I think lilac is stronger. She bought lip. Anyone that knows me knows that my lips always, what's the word? Always glossy, and it's literally a glossy lip gloss. I really love gifts that show that you know me. There's a card. Okay. Dear Ada, I wish you all the best in this life. Your energy and beautiful soul is a blessing to those around you. May the Lord bring you joy, abundance, love, and happiness, Queen. Love, Nanda. XOXO. I'm not gonna be emotional because I'm a hard girl. See. Hey, like this guy just, I think what she just did is, what does Ada like? Let me spoil her with it. She knows I like perfume. Spoil her with it. She knows I like anything feminine. Spoil her with handbag. She knows I love chains. I love jewelry, except earrings and wristwatches. I don't like wristwatches. I don't like earrings, but I love chains. So this is one with my name because Ada is a girl. You should a boy before. So this is another one. Thank you so much. Thank you. I know you're definitely watching this because you are a very huge supporter of everything I do, and I'm really grateful. This one is actually a card, and I know that it's a card from work. Good. These people like to, I swear, at work they like to find my trouble. They like to find my trouble. See what I just noticed? At work, my boss likes calling me a strong, independent woman, and I've made it very clear, don't call me strong, independent woman. I am a soft baby. And guess what? They gave me a card. Strong, independent, powerful, beautiful woman. No, I'm soft. Really beautiful. Different writing. So let me read the ones I can read. Happy birthday. Hope you have the best day. You are inspiring and you have a beautiful personality. Have a lovely day. Happy birthday, Ada. I hope you have a lovely day. Happy birthday. Have an amazing day. Happy birthday. Best wishes from my boss. Ooh, my chick is chicken. Happy birthday, Queen. Hey, my princess, not queen. Where's my crown? There's no crown here. Amen. Happy birthday, Ada. I hope you are pampered like you deserve. Hey, these people, they know me too well. Wishing you a day as beautiful as you are. Hey, that means that day is gonna be good. Sorry, there is not a lot of pink. She knows I love pink things. I love like pink, red. I love very bright colors. Like, this is amazing. Now, this is from my flatmate. This looks too big to be a card. So, oh wow. This is quite nice. I love the fact that it's color pink because I'm a pink girl. And it's a card. Many happy returns. Fill today with your favorite things and enjoy. I got one very special gift, and I already saw the gift because it came like this. It's a pamper box. I've not opened it, as you can see. Ooh, my heart is beating. What is it? Lavender. Oh my god. Jesus, I love scents. Kill me. No, don't kill me. See, besties. Let me really go see this one. Scented candles. This one now, gold. Let me keep it. He gave me a gift that means so much to me. This is a travel diary, and that's because I've told him that in this my new year, I'm really going to travel, and he said take it like whilst you tour around the world, so you can always tick countries off your list. And I find this particular gift very prophetic, because let's leave it. Let me not even open it. Let's just leave it. This is a gift card for nails. This is like a chocolate box from somebody, although I know that the gift this person is trying to give me has not arrived yet. I got a card. Happy birthday, Queen. Why do people call me Queen? Thank you for always being an amazing friend to me. Cheers to another trip around the sun. Hot chocolate. Because if you know how British people love taking hot drinks, any small thing, do you want me to serve you tea or coffee? And my answer is always no, I don't want tea, I don't want coffee. So this person at work now asked me, so what do you like? I said I actually like hot chocolate, and he got me like 2 boxes of hot chocolate, and now this is hot chocolate attached to my card, which is quite funny. This is my most colorful card. Very beautiful. I actually really like it. I've enjoyed working with you. Happy birthday, best wishes. I like gifting. Forget though, after I put up this camera, I will just be looking at this gift and be smiling and be saying, ah, thank you, ah, thank you. I don't even mind how, in quotes, little it may be, for someone to take their time, their effort, their anything just to get me something that makes me happy is a lot. And I'm really grateful to everyone that made out that time and gave me lots of things. I'm really grateful. If by the time I'm editing this video I get some more gifts that I can share, then I'm going to share. Hey besties, another gift just came for me. So this is how it was delivered to me, and obviously just by feeling it I know that it's a pair of heels. Ooh. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I just saw the price, but I just realized that it's not my size. This is size 40 and I wear 39. But like, I really like it, especially for this winter season. I actually have very tiny foot. I don't wear 40, I wear 39. So this is it, but it's not my size. Like, it's, how will I explain it now? There's so much space. So this officially marks the end of our birthday conversations. Now we are moving over to other things. Thank you for sticking with me, and thank you so much to everyone that has wished me a happy birthday. I'm really grateful to you all. Bye guys.